Hey, this is Jen Walker, and I wanted to share with you a few things that have been on my mind as far as exercise goes. So, I feel like everybody's in a different place, and I was listening to a book that was talking about different ways that we play. And play is really important in everyday life. If we're too serious, it really takes away a lot of the mental work that could be utilized for productivity, and fun is important. So, one of the things that it was talking about is using some people gravitate towards exercise as a form of release or fun, that it's like really their thing. Because you'll have a dominant thing that determines how you play. And so that is one of them. And I have recognized that that is actually not my favorite one. But I think there's such value in exercise. And so I was going to share with you too. Everybody's at such a different place, and some people are totally gun ho, really, really straight arrow, and they love working out. And then I think there's another category that is like, there's probably three. Some don't ever touch it. I don't even want to exercise. No way, no way. And then there's another, I know it's good for me. I'm going to do it. But it doesn't bring me that much joy. And I try to make it fun so that it is more fun for me. I do dancing with my kids, which is fun. Some of the things that I have found is that sometimes too people are restricted medically with what they can do with their exercise. And I found that I really have found my back is hurting me a lot. So I think that's due to my diastasis recti, which is beside the point. My point is I can't really enjoy exercise to the fullest because of my mobility. And one of the things, like I went to a physical therapist this morning for the first time, and it was really cool that we really can repair and strengthen and change what we're doing with our bodies, and that we can do those things. And an important factor too is to make sure you've got nutrition 90% in the kitchen, because that is really how we can keep our healthy bodies the healthiest as well. Exercise just supplements that. It doesn't actually get rid of fat or anything in the same degree. So those are some important things. But one of the things I wanted to talk about too is that what can we do? I think a lot of times we have all the excuses, but is it a priority? And it is a priority for me. And even though I've really worked on my micro habit with exercise, because otherwise I wouldn't even be doing it at all. For me, that looks like 2 pull-ups. For me, my other micro habit is to like raise my cardio heart rate. And so I run the stairs and I do lunges. And those are the things that I can do. And I find those and I try to enjoy them, try to play loud music or listen to a podcast or do the dancing on the TV too on the days that I really don't feel like it. And through the consistency, I really feel that I'm sure I'm blessed as far as mobility goes, and I can strengthen things even more. But those are my 2 cents on exercise. And I don't know, where are you guys at with your exercise? So I encourage you to find a way to have it be fun, and wherever you're at, like acknowledge it and be okay with it. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.